Hello everyone, welcome back with Microsoft Excel basic tutorials how to add columns. Okay, here for example I will create simple text 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now if you want to add column in this area, you can select and you can right click, then next you can click insert. So it will be automatically add one columns. If you want to add like two columns, you can select these two columns and you can right click, click insert. It will be automatically add two columns. Okay. If you want to delete these columns, you can select these all columns. You can right click and you can click delete. It will be automatically delete the columns. So I will add like 5 columns. So I will click from this point into here. And you can right click and you can click insert. It will be add 5 new columns in here. You can select all again and you can right click, click delete to delete the selected columns. Okay, that's it, how to add columns in Microsoft Excel. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.